Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Ordered it the other day, just arrived. It's in the Prism Black colour. Close up of some of the specs here. It's a 128GB one in black. So let's get this open. Easy packaging to take off. Really nice, cool black box. The label to go through here. Doesn't want to come out today. There we go. And there it is. Nice minimalistic box. So not sure what these plastic things for here, but a protective cover on the outside. Look at the reflection on that. That's really nice. Very slim. Nice clear screen with the notch. Not the notch, the punch hole camera. Cool. Let's see the edges. Looks like aluminium, chrome. Power on button. Volume button there. It looks like the SIM ejection tray and the microphone. Oh, that must be the big C in the volume button. There's the power button. Looks quite high on that. At the bottom, got the microphone, headphones, and also a downward firing speaker, and the USB-C charging. Very nice. 4 cameras, 3 cameras set up with the flash. 4 cameras. Not sure. We'll see. Right, let's see what else we've got in the box. Quick charging with the flip out 3-pin plug. So this is a UK model. Not quite sure what that is. Maybe OTG cable. Yeah, looks like it. These look cool. AKG headphones. What's that? Okay. Charging cable. See, I'll get this open. Nice charging cable in black. It's nice that Samsung have given the black cables. Not keen on the white ones. Okay, that's USB-C to, looks like USB mini converter. That's quite handy. USB-C to USB charging cable, and these AKG headphones. Don't think I'll be using those. And then what else we got in the pack? So there's another book pack here in black. SIM ejection tool. What else do we have in here? What's that open? Probably just normal manuals, user guides. Quick start guide. Quick start guide. Warranty card. Regional lock guide. That's interesting. And how to transfer information from your phone. And that's it. So, first impressions, looks really, really nice. Let's make sure it works. And they haven't sent me a dud model. There we are. S10. So okay guys, hope you're happy with that as the unboxing. I'm going to go through the setup on this and I'll be back later when the phone's all set up and charged.